Russia is a country with a capable military force. Russia has sophisticated military weapons with terrifying capabilities. Of the many types, one that is quite interesting is the Tu-22M3 bomber. The Tu-22M3 long-range supersonic missile-carrying bomber is designed to destroy sea and land-based targets using guided missiles and aerial bombs. Tu-22M3 bombers were once deployed to carry out missile attacks against Ukraine from Russian airspace. In addition to the Tu-22M3, Russia has used strategic bombers such as the Tu-95 and Tu-160 to launch conventional missiles at Ukrainian targets. Specifications for the Russian Tu-22M3 bomber. The Tupolev Tu-22M3 is one of the variants of the Tu-22M aircraft. For your information, the Tu-22M itself is a Russian strategic bomber that has been developed since the Soviet Union era. This bomber was developed by the Soviet Union during the Cold War era. This aircraft has many features that have been improved to overcome existing shortcomings. Based on its performance, this Russian bomber can reach up to 6,800 kilometers or around 4,200 miles. Meanwhile, the maximum height that can be reached is 14,000 meters with a climbing rate of 15 meters/seconds. Meanwhile, the speed itself can reach 2,200 kilometers/hour, Mach 1.88. Turning to the engine, the Tu-22M3 is powered by two Kuznetsov NK-25 turbofan engines installed in the body with large air intakes and dual exhausts. In the weapons it carries, this Russian bomber can include several weapons such as cruise missiles, anti-ship missiles, and bombs. In its operational history, the Tu-22M3 has been involved in many operational fields, including during the war against Ukraine. On April 14, 2022, Russia used it to attack the Azovstal factory in Mariupol. Then, around June 2022, they also used it to support airstrikes from Belarusian territory. The Tu-22M is based on the Tu-22 weapon system, also using the same anti-ship nuclear missile, the Kh-22. Tu-22M coding was used to help gain approval for the bomber in the Soviet system. The first prototype, the Tu-22M0, first flew on 30 August 1969. The resultant aircraft was first seen by NATO around that time. For several years, the West believed that the operational code for this newest aircraft was Tu-26. During SALT negotiations in the 1980s, the Soviets insisted it was the Tu-22M.